Hello guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you could protect your computer against viruses, but also how to enhance the protection against ransomware 1. First of all, if you have Windows 7, Windows 8 or Windows 10 or even Windows 11, then this video is dedicated for you. Click on the Search tab and type Windows Security. Open it, and on the left panel you want to check for the second option, Virus and Threat Protection. Next step, scroll to the bottom. You will see Virus and Threat Protection is the second big title. You want to click Manage Settings. Make sure that real-time protection, cloud-delivered protection, sample submission, automatic submission, and also tamper protection, that they are all on. Next step, you want to go to Protection Updates. Make sure that you are connected to the internet and click Check for Updates. This is very important to update the database of your antivirus. Once it appears Security Intelligence up to date, click on the arrow to go back. And you want to go to the bottom and select Ransomware Protection. Next step, click Control File or Folder Access, turn it on, and click Yes. As a final step, what you want to do, you want maybe to go back and click a quick scan so that your computer scans for viruses. This may take few seconds to up to few minutes based on how fast is your computer and how much data you have in it. And normally you should go back with one of the two options. Either it will tell you that it didn't find anything, or it will tell you that there is something to be removed, and it will give you three options, either to put it in quarantine, to delete it, or to give it back, or to put it back. As you can see, guys, Microsoft Defender Antivirus scanned your device. No new threat were found. Dismiss. If you want, you can also go for scan options, and you can select either a full scan, custom scan if you want to scan a specific folder or specific area, or Microsoft Defender Antivirus Offline Scan. This will restart your computer and scan your computer offline, and this is very useful when it comes to removing existing already viruses, or if you have any doubt that your computer has been infected. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you'd like to encourage us to make more video tutorials, you can do that by clicking like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest video. If in any case you are still facing any issues, you can always write us a comment or send us an email, and we'll do our best to help you. If you'd like, you can become a member of our family by choosing one of the available subscription options for you. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon.